We get to measure thrice because I fucked up twice. So I'm going to go 24 inches towards the stairwell on the same joist.
Okay.
Do you see that drill?
I don't think so, but I'm looking. Where are we?
Buckeye. Yeah, I'm fixing the one that I fucked up.
Okay, I'm just trying to make sure I'm looking in the right place. I think you're okay.
That didn't just make it worse, did it?
You went to the other side.
Good?
That time it's good. I don't see it.
Okay, thank God. Good. Okay. What a fucking nightmare this will be.
To insulate our 100-year-old warehouse and maintain the aesthetic of the original trusses, Ryan and I decided to add 5 inches of foam from above and secure it with 8-inch screws.
Just a quick illustration of what we're dealing with these screws. So this is an 8-inch long screw, and it needs to go through the OSB, 2 layers of foam, the existing wood that's under there, and hit a 2x4. And if you look at this, I mean, just a little degree, little angle off, and I missed the stud down below. So this has been a real big challenge. At this point, we have the large side of the roof mostly screwed up. We have all the boards screwed to about right here. This board has the perimeter tacked in. Most of these screws need to be moved. They're off by a few degrees, so they miss the stud. And then all the field screws need to be installed next. We tried running the chalk line to see where the studs are, but it turns out I've been missing at least 70 or 80% of them. Could be just because of that little degrees of angle.
I don't see it.
Ah, really? In the beginning, I was using a drill bit to drill a pilot hole in and see if I hit that stud first. That method was pretty slow and it'd still miss. So I'm just using, the screw straight in, doing the best we can, trying to get it in there. And then if I do miss, just unscrew it and then move it over, screw it back in.
I told him not to fuck it up, but I think he did. So where are you now?
I'm on the roof.
No, which direction? Where should I be looking?
Up towards the roof.
You're a goose. Oh. Come up, up.
Been a little slow, but we're doing the best we can. And we've had unseasonably hot weather. It's well over 100 degrees in the middle of the day in the shade. We're taking care of some inside projects during the daytime and doing this when it's not quite as horrible out here. This is one of the larger projects we have to finish before we can eventually sell this building and move to Italy. No, so I'm on the first real stud.
Not the one against the gutter?
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Get your mind out of the gutter.